Binta Nyako said today, for the simple reason that she has no jurisdiction to try me. None whatsoever. I came out of courtesy and respect. She stands recused from my case and cannot try my case. There are things that are happening in this country that a lot of you do not know. It is my duty to make that very, very clear to all of you today. Because the lies are too much. The lies are too much. I sent a petition to NJC. I don't want to talk about it. Justice Binta Nyako is using her position for personal gain. For personal gain. Her son and her husband are facing corruption charges. And they told them that if they convict me, this is what happens. You can see it. They don't want the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out in Nigeria. That's the problem. Who is that person? Corruption charges. They sent her to my case so they can release or smoothen the pathway for the husband and the son. They are facing. It doesn't matter if they're off it. In a corrupt society, that's what happens. They are very, very corrupt. There is a breach of judicial oath. They have violated the judicial. Before you continue, if you are watching this video on YouTube, I'll urge you to click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my content. Thank you. They have shown bias according to Supreme Court. They are biased against me. Supreme Court said so. And that is why what is happening in the judgments and rulings concerning me has been happening. So, disobedience to superior court orders. Supreme Court said you are biased. You are against this man. You should not have revoked his bail. Nigeria went to Kenya and kidnapped him. These things are in the public domain. Why, therefore, are they insisting on trying me? A court order was entered. In that very court order, it was said very clearly and succinctly that she is no more. No. That she is no more going to try me. Why are they insisting? Why are they insisting? I ask. Because they have no case against me. They have no case against me, and they know it.
Hello, my wonderful people. It's your guy, Brother Mekus, and today I want to bring you the latest update regarding Nnamdi Kanu's court case. And the video you just watched was a video of Nnamdi Kanu in court, the last court appearance before yesterday being 21st of March. If you watch that video clearly, you will find out that he was angry. He has attacked Justice Binta Nyako for being biased with handling his case, and then because of that, she has recused herself from the case and has adjourned his case indefinitely. So you can imagine. Well, here I want us to read from Vanguard newspaper online. So this is a Vanguard, and it says Biafra court orders Kanu's speedy trial, fixes 29th of April for FG to call witness. So it says, as the third IPOB leader pleads not guilty before a new judge. So let's look at the details. It has been noted that Justice Nyako has recused herself from the case, and the file has been handed over to a new judge to take over. So it says the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja on Friday ordered accelerated hearing of the 7-count treasonable felony charge the federal government preferred against the detained leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu. So it went further to say that Kanu, whose trial started afresh, you can imagine all those years that she has been facing trial, now has been started afresh because Justice Nyako has recused herself and the file has been transferred to a new judge. He said, following the reassignment of the case file to Justice James Omotosho, pleaded non-guilty to the allegations against him. It will be recalled that Justice Binta Nyako, who previously conducted the case, recused herself from the matter after she was accused of being biased by the embattled IPOB leader. Justice Nyako initially adjourned the trial sine die, meaning indefinitely, until the Chief Judge of the High Court, Justice John Soho, transferred the case file to the new judge. He said he went further to say that shortly after the proceeding started, the defendant, whose legal team is now led by a former Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Mr. Kanu Agabi, SAN, tendered an apology. So listen, the new judge that will be handling Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case tendered an apology to both the former trial judge and the prosecution counsel, Chief Adeboyoga Awomolo, SAN, over his outbursts in the open court on February 10, when this case was adjourned indefinitely. So they have apologized to the former judge and the current judge over his outbursts during his last court case before yesterday, being 21st of March. There's nobody that won't feel angry. There's nobody that won't feel bad or depressed. You can imagine being in detention for more than 5 years. When that was since 2021. That was when he was arrested. According to him, was kidnapped from Kenya and has been in detention with DSS. He has been under DSS custody since 2021 till date. And when you look at your case, Supreme Court has given order for you to be released. And then, so what is stopping all of that? There's nobody that will have or will find himself in such situation that will feel happy. And so he said he begged Justice Nyako, an FG lawyer, for forgiveness, admitting that he was overtaken by emotion. He went further to say that Kanu, whose written apology was delivered by his attorney, pledged to be of good conduct throughout the duration of his trial. Agabi, SAN, maintained that though his client had cause to be angry, he, however, should not have spoken when anger overwhelmed him. And he went further to say, my lord, in expressing his anger, he attacked the Federal High Court, he attacked Justice Binta Nyako, he attacked the prosecutor and his own lawyer. So he went further to read, I hereby apologize to Justice Binta Nyako. She did not deserve the unjust attack. I apologize to Chief Adeboyega Awomolo, SAN. He deserves highest respect. He was castigated without reservation. I appeal for forgiveness. Kanu is a good man, but all of us cannot be of one mind. He is not perfect, but was only defending the cause of Igbo people who are resilient, fearless, and using their God-given talent to give good account of themselves. We may have misgiving, but we must seek forgiveness in resolving our differences. Let us employ peace and not violence to resolve our differences. This was what SAN Agabi, the new judge that will be defending Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in court. Now, in his brief remark, FG lawyer Awomolo, SAN, said he was moved by the plea and has forgiven Kanu for all he said against him. He added that contrary to Kanu's allegation, he was not out to prosecute him but to ensure quick resolution of the matter. Consequently, the prosecution asked for adjournment to enable him assemble his witnesses to appear in the next date. So, following a no objection stance by Kanu legal team, Justice Omotosho adjourned the case to April 29, May 2, and 6 for full-blown trial. The court noted that Kanu trial has lasted over 10 years. This is the current update of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case. At least we've known that his case has been adjourned to April 29, May 2nd, and 6th. So let's hope that the court is going to do justice to his case and ensure his release. If you have any opinion, I would like you to drop it in the comment section. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss any updates from me. Till I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Dear friend, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this wonderful video, I need you to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss my subsequent videos. One more thing, go to the comment section, let me know your feel about this video, and finally share this video with whoever you think might find it interesting. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.